This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. This charming country home, situated on a level and gently rolling 3-acre parcel, is on the market for the first time in over 45 years. Enjoy breathtaking views of the woods and pastures from the backyard or from the comfort of the large covered front porch. The main level offers a spacious great room with hardwood floors and a wood-burning fireplace, an open and bright eat-in kitchen with wood stove, a main floor bedroom with walk-in closet just outside in the hall, the full bath and a family/bonus room with a laundry closet and access to the brick paved side patio. Upstairs there are 2 more good-sized bedrooms with a pass-through walk-in closet access from either room and a large landing/loft area perfect for reading or a small office area. This home has been well maintained, including a brand new roof just this month, a new air conditioner, and the furnace has been fully serviced. A huge add value to this property is the 30 by 40 pole building/garage, 2-bay, with 29 by 19 workshop and enclosed 23 by 12 lean-to. The circular gravel drive provides